Hello everyone, I am Subhadeep Kaur, second year students of IIM Kolkata. Institute of Advanced Management is celebrating World Environment Day on 5th June 2020 and I participate in the extempore competition. My topic is coronavirus pandemic is a boon for nature and biodiversity. The COVID-19 pandemic is impacting all parts of human society. Like everyone else, conservation biologists and concerned first with how the pandemic will affect their families, friends and people around the world. But we also have a duty to think about how it will impact the world biodiversity and our ability to protect it, as well as how it might affect the training and careers of conservation research and practitioners. So to discuss in this topic, we can face one question, that is coronavirus lockdown a boon or bane for environment? Yes, COVID-19 has in every term triggered a major global reset economically and politically, socially, environmentally, and as well as scientifically. It has changed the way we work, play, learn, and what not. How are you coping with these unexpected and drastic changes to how we live? Do you think that is a boon as you are living inside your home, or do you think it is a threat? Schools are closed. Even sport leagues have been cancelled. No social gatherings, no more mornings and evening walks, and many people are working from home. So let's talk about how the environment we have adapted to this unwelcome guest in our lives. Like example, clear blue sky and clean air, animals sighted roaming in urban areas, treat for bird watchers. Apart from these, three ways the coronavirus is helping in the environment. Like first one is decreased air pollution. Like manufacturers are shutting down factories in the interest of social distancing, and that is giving the planet room to breathe. Second one is animals have more room to roam. In New Delhi, India, Lokpuri, Thailand, packs of weird monkeys are loitering at storefront and invading closed shop. In Oakland, California, wild turkeys were seen playing tag in schoolyard and children are taking lesson from home. And third one is China banning wildlife trade. And the end of the topic is, I would like to say it is too early to evaluate the overall impacts of the coronavirus pandemic on biodiversity and our ability to protect it, but some preliminary conclusions are possible. At this point, protected areas appear to be safe and in many places biodiversity in benefiting from reduced human activities. However, this may not be true everywhere, especially where enforcement has weakened but threats have not. Research has been disrupted, but only time will tell if this will have long-term consequences. We are concerned for this training and careers of young conversations scientists, but the lasting effects of the pandemic on this will depend in part on how we and our institutions respond to these concerns. This is the opportunity here to remind people of these links between healthy resilience and ecosystems and human well-being. And at the end of this point, I would like to say we have to remember one mantra during this pandemic situation, that is stay at home, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you so much for listening me.